Several days later.
So the East All-Stars will get the first possession. A look at the starting group for the East All-Stars. We've got Irving. Jason Tatum is out there with Embiid. Then there's Kawhi Leonard.
And it's Doncic. I mean, he never seems to get rattled, even when he attracts contact on the way to score. Maintains his poise in those situations extremely well for a young player.
And that's exactly what he's looking for, draining the triple.
LeBron left side.